This video we are talking about creating a style in Roland BK5 keyboard. This is the home page. From home page, press menu button, select Rhythm Composer using the value dial or cursor. Move the cursor towards Rhythm Composer option and press enter. Now we can see the name of the rhythm Broken Dance, which is already selected. In this tutorial we are going to create a new rhythm. For that we have to initialize a new rhythm in Rhythm Composer. Press menu button and select initialize rhythm option. The cursor is in initialize rhythm option, that is the first option. Press enter. Here we can see the recording track, instruments, tempo, time signature, etc., etc. Here we change tempo and time signature. All time signature are available here. I am going to create a 3/4 rhythm now. For that, press enter and make the time signature as 3/4. Again press enter. Back to tempo. I am going to create a slow 3/4 rhythm for a tempo of 70. Now press right button. It will ask the internal rhythm will be deleted. Are you sure? Select yes. Using the value button, move the cursor from no to yes and press enter. Now we can see the rhythm name user rhythm 3/4 tempo 70. Three options are here: track, mode, division. We can move the cursor from track, mode, division using the value button, and if you press enter, the track will be selected. We can move between the tracks using the cursor. Okay. Again press enter to deselect the track option. Move the cursor to mode. We can have different patterns for each major, minor and seventh chord. We can use different patterns for different chord variations, or we can use the same patterns for different chord variation. So a versatile pattern creation platform is providing by Roland in BK5. I'm going to deselect the mode area by pressing enter button. Coming to division, see what are the divisions available in making rhythm. Intro 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 intros are available. Main means main variations. Main 1, 2, 3, 4 variations are available. Fill down options, that is when we move from variation 4 to 3, fill down 3 will be played. From 2 to 3 variation, fill 2 will be played, fill down 2 will be played, and fill down 1 will be played when we move from second to first variation. Fill up 1, that is variation 1 to 2, fill in will be applied. Fill up 2, 3 kinds of fill up is also available. 4 ending options are also available. Okay, now I'm going to create a rhythm in main 1. First of all, we need a drum track. For that, select this drum track by pressing enter. The cursor is already here. We are going to start our recording. Press the audio record button, which is in left side of our screen. Press audio record button. This page will appear. This is a recording track, a drum. Moving the cursor to instruments. Instrument is new pop. I can change the instruments if I need. When cursor is in instrument, press enter button to select a different kit. Here is octave option. We have notes in down octaves also. So I'm just moving to -4 octave. I'm just checking I'm okay with this foot drum. And we are going to start recording 3/4 rhythm. Just I am checking the speed by pressing tempo tab button to get a metronome. 2, 3. To get a metronome during recording, we have to press the tap tempo button, and this metronome will be available during the recording session also. This is a mode option. We can select which chord variation we needed, major, minor or seventh. We have another options also. Same patterns will be applied to major and minor chords, major and seventh chords, minor and seventh chords. This option is a good option to record the same patterns for major, minor and seventh chord variations. The division is main one, that's okay. Tempo is 70, that's okay. If we want to input a quantization during recording, we can select what kind of quantization we need. Here I am selecting 1/8 quantization. I want a count in for only one measure. Wait note means when we press a note, the recording will be started. I want a one measure pre-count. Now here we select measure length. I want a 2-bar measure. Now we are going to record a pattern. Press start stop button. The pre-count will be started. Now see, 2 bars recorded for foot drum. Again I'm going to press the audio record button. We have to select this option to apply the same patterns to all major, minor and seventh chord variations. Okay, here is already we have selected 2-bar measure length. The record mode is now in mix mode. If we select a replace mode, the foot drum that we already recorded will be erased and the new pattern will be applied. If we select this mix option, the previously recorded foot drum will be there and the additional patterns that we are applying will be added with the foot drum. Now I'm going to record a stick along with it. Press start button. 1, 2, 1. Here you can see the pattern is continuing playing. If you want to apply more notes, we can apply along with it. That's okay for now. Stop metronome by pressing tap tempo button. Now I'm going to record a hi-hat. I prefer a different track to record my hi-hats. Select this track option. I'm going to record the hi-hats in accompaniment 6, ACC 6 area. Press audio record button to change the tone. Stereo slow string is selected here. Press the drum tone bank button. You will get the drum instruments. press exit. Now select the mode option. I want the same pattern to all chord variations. Here assign the measure length. When we record for the first time, the record mode will be in replace mode. Now I am going to start the recording. Press tab tempo. It's playing. Now press start button. 1 2 3 4. I'm not okay with that, so I'm going to replace that pattern with a new one. For that, come to record mode and select replace option. Come to mode, select major minor 7th note. I'm just changing the octave for convenience. Press metronome, press start button. Okay. I would like to add a tambourine along with it. For that, press audio record button. The metronome is playing. Select mode, major, minor and 7th. Record mode is mix. Okay. Press metronome. Press start button. Now I am going to save my rhythm. Press menu button. Move the cursor to save and press enter. Select the folder if you want to save it in a different folder. Select the folder, otherwise you can save it here. I am going to save it in new styles. Move the cursor towards new styles and press enter button. Press the right button to save the rhythm. Using the tone buttons, select the name. The numeric button, lower button, upper button, and these are the tone buttons from 0 to 9. Using these buttons, we can change the name. It's a slow 3/4 pattern. I'm selecting a 3/4. 3 slash is not available, so I am just selecting a hyphen. 3/4. I want to delete it. Press lower button. I want to change R to S. For that, first we have to change this numeric to caps. Slow. Now change it to small letters. Slow. SLOW. I don't want this H and M. Press lower button and delete. Press right button. It will execute and save our rhythm to the new styles folder. Now you can see the name is changed. This is the rhythm pattern I have recorded. Now I am going to apply a bass. Fingered bass is selected. If you want to change the instrument, press audio record button. Come to instrument, press enter, and we can change the bass tone. I'm just changing the octave. Now change the mode. I want to apply this bass pattern to the whole chord variations. Now input quantization that we have already selected, counted measures already selected. Here assign the record measure length, 2 bars measure. Now I am going to record this baseline. Pressing the metronome tap tempo button. Press start button. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Stop metronome. Now I am going to record accompaniment 1, 2, 3, 4. Just recording a natural piano here. Note down one thing. We are recording the whole accompaniment patterns in C major chord. Okay, that kind of a pattern is going to apply. Press audio record button. The key is C, so we are applying all our accompaniment records in C chord. We are just recording in major chord variation, but when we play styles in live, it will automatically changes in major, minor and 7th variation. The division is main one, and I am recording for 2 bars. It is the first record, so replace automatically on. Now metronome on, start button. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not okay with that pattern, so again I'm recording. During that time, just come to record mode. It will be in mix mode, changing it to replace, and this mode major is selected. Change to major, minor, 7th option. Press start button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, I'm going to apply a guitar. Here, audio record button. Press audio record button. Press instrument. It is selected a flugelhorn horn. By pressing the tone button, select accompaniment guitars. This guitar is a good one. Okay, I'm going to record this guitar pattern. Change the mode. Record. Set the measure length to 2 bars. Now press the tap tempo for metronome. Press start button. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that guitar portion is recorded. I'm going to add one more strum. Press audio record button. Select mode. Now mix is selected. 2, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to just add a pad. This is already selected, a pad width. Just check out. Press audio record button. The instrument pad width is already selected. Select the mode, major, minor, 7th. Measure length 2 bars. Okay. Now record. Okay, I'm saving. Press menu, dial towards save, press enter. Press the right button. Press right button again. It will ask for overwriting. Select yes option and press enter. I am just going to record a main2 variation. I want this a base and other accompaniments from main1 to main2. For that we can use this track edit option. Select copy, select source, select this option and move the dial backward anti-clockwise. Select source. I'm going to select the whole tracks, the whole major, minor and seventh patterns from main 1. Change the destination. Automatically selected track and mode. Division, move towards main 2. Now to execute this copying function, press right button. The operation completed. Now we can see, press exit button and come to the main Rhythm Composer page. The division is main 2. Previously it was blank. Now we can see from main 1 everything is copied to main 2. If you want to copy only bass, that option is also available. If you want to copy a specified track, we can have that option in track edit mode. In copy, first we need to select the source, select the track that we want to copy, select the mode that we want to copy, select the division, and again come to destination and select the track where we want to copy this one, where we want to copy, and mode and everything we can select according to our needs. Now I'm going to make small changes in rhythm. I'm going to delete this drum track. For that, press menu, come to track edit, press enter, select delete option by pressing enter button. And I want to delete this A drum, and I want to delete it for major and minor and seventh chords also from main 2, not main 1, from main 2. Okay. Now I place the cursor towards the mode option. Pressing right button, it will delete the major patterns of a drum from main 2 division. Press right button. Okay, the operation completed for major, and for minor, select minor and press right button. Operation completed for minor chord variation patterns. Now for seventh chord, again press right button. If you didn't quantize previously during recording, we can quantize using this quantize option. Just try all these options. See, we deleted this A drum track. We don't have this drum track now. Just play. It's a seventh chord. For minor chord also, no drum. For major chord also, no A drum. The other tracks are playing. We deleted the drum track, so it's not there in main 2 division. I'm just saving it by pressing the menu button and move the cursor to save. Press enter, press right button. It will ask for the name, same name. Again press right button, ask for overwriting, select S option and press enter. It will be executed. The saving function will be executed. We don't have an option in Rhythm Composer to balance the tracks. So I am exiting the Rhythm Composer page, coming to the home page, just checking the recorded rhythm by pressing the synchronization start and applying a C chord, a minor chord, a seventh chord. Check recorded style for all these 3 chords to make sure the patterns are applied correctly. I'm checking variation 2. The drum track is not there. Okay. Now I'm going to balance all these tracks. To balance all these tracks, select menu, move the cursor towards Makeup Tools, press enter. Here we can see Instrument Save option. We are only using these two options. Select Instrument. We can see the instrument that we used during recording our styles. I'm going to New Rock, selecting the variation 1, selecting solo option to hear this track only. We can increase the volume, we can add some reverb, chorus, we can pan, cut off resonance. These options are all available. Just experiment it. Now I am going to drum instrument option. For drum track, this option will be available to make up individual kits, individual notes. This is kick only. If you want to increase some volume of kick, we can increase. We can give a reverb, chorus, all these effects individually for this kick, exiting. Now for stick, I am reducing a little bit stick volume. Snare, increasing snare volume, increasing some velocity also. Okay. We can change the pitch also. If you want to change the pitch, it is also available. It's a great option Roland providing. Now exiting. Okay, that's okay. Exit, exit. Now coming to finger bass. Lowering the bass. Exit. Now coming back to guitar. Select guitar and soloing it. Reducing volume. Giving some effects to guitar. Reverb. Some chorus effect. Not applying pan now. If you want, you can apply. You can change the octaves also. I am not changing the octave. I am just using this recorded octave. If you want to change velocity, this option is also available. Increase or decrease. And just changing to -5. Okay. Cut off option. Increasing some cut off, decreasing some resonance. If you want to apply some attack, it is also available there. Okay with that. Release, vibrato, all these options are available. Just check it out. Now I am switching off solo, balancing the guitar along with all tracks. A little bit low. Okay. Exit. Now see, the pad track is not playing. We already recorded in rhythm composer, but here pad track is not playing. We can find a solution for that. Coming to jazz brush, soloing the track. Okay. Coming down to drum instruments, select, enter into jazz. Okay. Increasing a little bit, exit, coming into it. Okay, decreasing a little bit, decreasing, tambourine, decreasing a little bit, mute triangle, increasing a little bit, open triangle, decreasing a little bit. Okay, exit. Now you can see this style is somewhat balanced. This rhythm makeup will be applied to all variations, all intros, all fillings, all variations, all endings. The same pattern will be applied. Now we are going to save all these changes using this save option. Press enter. We are in USB new styles folder. Okay, press right button, check out the name of our rhythm. Press right button again, it will ask for overwriting. Press S. Now exit, check out the rhythm. This is a 7 chord, minor chord, major chord, variation 2, major, minor, 7th chords. Okay. So friends, I hope you get a good idea on making styles in Roland BK5 keyboard. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me.